Are you looking to live the Southern California lifestyle you dreamed of? Well, look no further. We've got it right here at 57 Montecilo in Foothill Ranch. This home has 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths with a 2.5 car garage and a ton of upgrades. Let's check it out. The stunning home offers charming curb appeal in the highly sought after tract of vintage gallery, showcasing exceptional craftsmanship and spacious living areas, creating an airy and inviting ambiance throughout. This move-in ready home offers a grand entrance through double doors with soaring 2-story ceilings and expansive windows illuminating the formal dining room with natural light. The heart of this home is the chef's dream kitchen adorned with top-of-the-line stainless steel appliances, expansive quartz countertops and island, a custom backsplash and hood, and custom shaker cabinetry. The adjoining family room is perfect for gatherings and features a warm rock fireplace and custom mantel. There's also a convenient downstairs laundry room and remodeled powder room. Custom appointments include new interior paint, new vinyl windows, new luxury wide plank vinyl flooring, new carpeting, ceiling fans, plantation shutters, mirrored wardrobes, upgraded light fixtures, and garage cabinets. The upstairs primary suite boasts high volume ceilings and a remodeled spa-like bathroom with dual vanities, a jetted tub, a separate shower, and a huge walk-in closet with built-ins. Private, tranquil backyard backs to a lush sloped greenbelt, creating the perfect retreat. Just minutes from Irvine Spectrum, this incredible home boasts 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, and a 2.5 car garage, perfect for a work area.